Plant FAQs. Philodendron Violin Variegated. Philodendron Violin Variegated. FAQs for the discerning plant parent. Hi, Ferb here. I'm a devoted plant enthusiast, and today we're diving deep into the world of the stunning Philodendron Violin Variegated. This captivating plant boasts violin-shaped leaves adorned with mesmerizing variegation, making it a coveted addition to any indoor jungle. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate this tropical wonder. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Philodendron Violin Variegated special? This philodendron stands out for its elegance. The elongated, violin-shaped leaves are splashed with captivating variegations in shades of green and yellow. Each leaf unfurls like a work of art, showcasing unique patterns that elevate the plant's visual intrigue. Beyond aesthetics, the Philodendron Violin Variegated is a conversation starter. Its rarity and striking beauty are sure to turn heads and spark inquiries from fellow plant enthusiasts. Is the Philodendron Violin Variegated difficult to care for? While not the easiest philodendron, the Violin Variegated isn't overly demanding either. With proper care, it thrives indoors, rewarding you with its captivating presence. Here's a breakdown of its essential needs. Light. This philodendron prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. A well-lit east-facing window is an ideal placement. Water. Consistent yet moderate watering is key. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Mimicking its tropical origins, the Philodendron Violin Variegated appreciates moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or employing a humidifier can create a favorable environment. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable temperature range between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing the plant near drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a blend specifically formulated for aeroids, or create your own using ingredients like orchid bark, perlite, and cocoa core. Pro tip: regularly rotate your Philodendron Violin Variegated to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning towards the light source. How does the Philodendron Violin Variegated compare to other philodendrons? The world of philodendrons is vast, offering a variety suited to most preferences. Here's a quick comparison between the Violin Variegated and two popular philodendron choices. Philodendron Birkin. Both share stunning variegated foliage, but the Birkin boasts oblong leaves with cream and green patterns. It's generally easier to care for compared to the Violin Variegated. Philodendron Heartleaf. This common philodendron is known for its heart-shaped leaves and ease of care. It's a great choice for beginners seeking a low-maintenance houseplant. Key takeaway: the Philodendron Violin Variegated offers a unique aesthetic but requires more attention compared to other philodendrons. How fast does the Philodendron Violin Variegated grow? Patience is a virtue when it comes to the Philodendron Violin Variegated. It's a slow grower, typically producing new leaves every 3 to 4 weeks under ideal conditions. Reaching maturity can take 3 to 4 years, and flowering might not occur for up to 5 years. Remember, slow growth is a natural characteristic of this philodendron. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't put on a growth spurt overnight. Where can I find a Philodendron Violin Variegated? Due to its rarity and captivating beauty, the Philodendron Violin Variegated can be challenging to find at your local nursery. However, online retailers specializing in rare plants often offer this coveted philodendron. Be prepared for a higher price tag compared to more common philodendron varieties. Tip: research reputable online plant sellers before making a purchase. Look for vendors with positive customer reviews and a proven track record of delivering healthy plants. Final thoughts on the Philodendron Violin Variegated. The Philodendron Violin Variegated is a captivating plant that injects a touch of elegance and intrigue into any indoor space. While it requires a bit more TLC compared to some philodendrons, the rewards are well worth the effort. With proper care and a touch of patience, you can cultivate this stunning philodendron and enjoy its mesmerizing beauty for years to come.